Good afternoon, everybody. This is Galiko from Apollo IT Services. So this week, the benefit of outsourcing your IT services to an MSP. One of the biggest benefits is cost saving. Today, IT people and cybersecurity experts are very, very expensive. By outsourcing your IT needs to an MSP, you get all level of support from like basic tier 1 all the way to tier 4, including cybersecurity advisory and consulting and helping you understand your business and requirements. And having that can save you a fortune. Again, just to give you an example, like a tier 1, that is the basic technician for companies like $65,000 a year. An IT consultant for cybersecurity or tier 4 can be around $150 to $250 a year. Another small benefit, you write it as an expense contrary to overhead. So you can write it as a full 100% of the cost during the year versus like paying overhead and employee cost. So it's one of the benefits for outsourcing your IT. If you haven't done it yet, give us a holler. We'll be more than happy to help you.